The one profession where I do not see AI replacing human anytime soon, that field is fraud investigation. This is the field where technology and AI can definitely work as an assistant. However, it certainly requires a large level of human intelligence. Not every data in fraud is on paper. Your data analytics, your AI technique could be very, very successful and useful if the data is on paper. The data is available somewhere. But what if that data is not available in digital format? What if there is a lot of things which are happening offline? Will technology be able to collect that data? That is exactly where human intelligence comes into picture. In our field of forensic accounting or fraud investigation, very less data is actually available on record. About 50-60% time, or sometimes 80-90% time, the data is offline, off record. That is exactly where human comes into picture. You call it market intelligence, ground inquiries, ground due diligence, so and so forth. But that exactly is where human needs to collect that data. Not just collect the data, but also connect the dots together. Fraud investigation is a field where intelligence is required, analysis is required at a very large scale. Technology is very, very helpful in connecting the dots. There is absolutely no denial. However, it is working as an assistant of investigator. So me, Kamaljeet Kaur Soni, with experience in forensic accounting and fraud investigation for close to 20 years, I can talk with my experience that we've been using a lot of data analytical tools, AI now, but as an assistant. One, that we cannot rely entirely on the technology because the data is too sensitive. The businesses are there on stake. We can't compromise their data, their confidentiality by using the technology blindly. Secondly, a lot of data could be off record, and that off record data certainly require human to collect that data, interpret it, and analyze it. That was my take on how investigators are using technology and AI for their work. What do you think? I would be really happy to get your comments and understand what is your opinion when it comes to technology and investigation. So I'm looking forward to hear from you soon. Let's connect more often and share our respective experience in the field of fascinating forensic accounting.